the Super Bowl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in some of my past videos, you saw me installing the Overkill Supercharger into my 2013 Cadillac CTS coupe, all-wheel drive. And I've had it tuned since then. I've had it out, been great. But there appears to possibly be a vacuum leak somewhere that I can't find. So when you look at my fuel trims, I'm running double digits. I'm talking around between 80. At one point it was up as high as 45, negative 45. So right now I'm running about negative 18 to about negative 22. And so I need to find that vacuum leak, if that is really truly the cause of it. All right, before diving in directly into everything, I thought I'd give you a little background to make sure you know what we're dealing with here. All right, so I installed a Overkill Supercharger. This has the Vortex Supercharger on it. And it also has a catch can system. This right here is the Elite Engineering catch can system. It has new check valves in there. And I've changed the gasket here, the gasket in between here. I changed the gaskets for the upper and lower plenum. I changed the gaskets on the intake, on the cover gaskets as well. Let's see here. A lot of this tubing is new. All of these tubes for the brake booster and everything. All of that is all new hosing. Even the brake booster down there itself is new as well. Let's see here, what else? Let's go inside. I want to show you what I'm dealing with when... All right, so the issue that I'm trying to overcome here is the fuel trim levels, the high fuel trim levels on the bank 1 and bank 2. They're identical, exactly the same numbers. High negative double digits. And let me bring you back here so you can see the air-fuel ratio at the same time. So you can see in the upper left-hand corner, you can see the long trim for bank 1 to bank 2. I'll give it a little gas. And let me let the idle drop down a little bit. All right, with the car running, so I have my HP tuners running, so you can look at the numbers here and you can see what I'm getting. So there is the long-term and short-term trim. Scroll that down a bit. And let me give it a little gas. See those negative numbers go up higher. So I'm just playing that recording back right now so you're able to see the numbers, but you saw those high negative long-term trim levels. And so that's what I'm trying to figure out, what is causing that. After the smoke test, I couldn't find any type of a vacuum leak anywhere. So what possibly could be causing this? It is running the base tune. When the updated tune that was done provided after the supercharger was installed, it actually got worse. So I reverted it back to the base tune. And so this is where I'm at right now, trying to figure out what is resulting in those high long-term fuel trim levels. Now again, those are the exact same basically on bank 1 and bank 2. Could it be the high pressure fuel pump that is somehow the issue? So I'm just trying to see what may be causing that. These are the numbers after the base tune. When they did a second tune for me and was just going to do a tune to counter those fuel trim levels, that's when it reached, the car just ran really bad that way. So I took it back down to the base tune. It runs good, no check engine lights or anything, but you know that you can tell that the performance definitely could be a lot better. And that's what I'm looking to achieve. But in order to get that, I got to find out what is causing those fuel trim levels. To me right now, I don't think it is from any type of vacuum leak. I'm thinking there must be something else. So if you guys can think of anything, definitely put it down in the comment. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other YouTube videos. Thanks.